How to color grade in Capcut. Hey guys, in today's video, I'll guide you through the steps to color grade your videos using Capcut, helping you achieve a cinematic and professional look. Stick around till the end to master this essential skill. Let's get started. First, open the Capcut app and tap on Start New Project. Import your video to begin editing. Select the video clip. Navigate to the Adjust section from the bottom bar. Here's where the magic happens. Adjust the brightness to make the video lighter or darker as needed. Tweak the contrast to enhance color depth or create a softer feel. Use saturation to make colors vibrant or achieve a muted aesthetic. Modify the temperature to add a warm golden tone or a cool bluish effect. Next, fine-tune the details. Play with highlights to brighten lighter areas. Adjust shadows to reveal details in darker sections. Use the hue slider to shift the overall color tone for a unique look. For quick enhancements, explore the filters in Capcut to add a polished, aesthetic vibe to your video. Once you've made all the adjustments, preview your work and fine-tune as needed. When you're satisfied, export your video to enjoy your color-graded masterpiece. And that's it! Now you know how to color grade your videos in Capcut like a pro. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video, subscribe for more editing tips, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.